Hello friends, today my video is about a fire water premium water vapor fireplace with adjustable colored flames. Is a modern, smart, and stylish concept for individual inserts. The cold flames are real and truly beautiful. You can adjust their height, speed and color patterns pending. They are created with ultrafine cold plumes lit by LEDs, a revolutionary technology. In addition to the traditional orange-yellow tint of natural flames, you can create flames in any color, and even create sets of creative flames that change colors. This collection of water vapor fireplace inserts lets users install a smart fireplace, smartphone app, remote control, smart home contact, etc. with no duct. Also, the high-end Fire Water Premium Steam Fireplace has lots of features such as automatic filling and draining. You can also hook it up to the plumbing, making it a completely autonomous fireplace. Also note that a water vapor fireplace with adjustable colored flames has a negligible operational cost, tap water, and is completely safe. All our water vapor fireplace models are now equipped with UVC lamps that protect and disinfect our air and water tanks, as well as the water vapor produced patents pending. Ultraviolet C, UVC, radiation inactivates and kills viruses, coronavirus and others, bacteria, spores, microorganisms, and pathogens while the unit is in use. The UVC lamps are installed in the air and water tanks and therefore not visible to the naked eye. We can now really talk about a 3D pure water vapor fireplace that gets rid of up to 99.99% of dangerous germs. 3D water vapor insert can be installed in any material. That way, you can create decorative cold flame fireplaces without worrying about any problems to do with heat. This is a wonderful opportunity to include a water fireplace in the city in an apartment, loft, condo, or in suburban house. Whether your home is new or if you're renovating, a water vapor fireplace is guaranteed to have safe installation. With a water vapor fireplace for the hospitality industry sector, interior designers and architects and decoration professionals can create fire spaces without any constraints. The design possibilities are unlimited. Colorful cold flame fireplaces are an ideal living decorative element for professionals in hospitality and dining, trendy bars, spas, fitness and relaxation areas, shops, etc. This fire is truly magical.